Hey everyone, welcome to Reads and Runes. This is episode 11 of the series called Who is XYZ, where we discuss eminent personalities from around the world. On today's episode, we are going to talk about Dr. Salim Ali. But before that, the channel's goal is to reach 500 subs by the end of this year, so please consider subscribing. Also, do watch till the end as there is a surprise quiz. Now, let's begin. Salim Muizuddin Abdul Ali was born on 12th November 1896 in Mumbai. Orphaned at a very young age, he was raised by his uncle and aunt in a household where curiosity was encouraged. At just 10 years old, he shot his sparrow with a toy gun, but instead of celebrating, he wondered what species it was. His uncle then took him to the Bombay Natural History Society, or BNHS, where Dr. W.S. Millard identified the bird and explained its features. That moment awakened a lifelong fascination with birds, behavior, migration, and the ecology of the natural world. Education and early struggles. Salim Ali studied at St. Xavier's College, Mumbai. His family wanted him to join their business, but Salim's heart remained in the forests and wetlands. He pursued a course in ornithology at the University of Sydney in 1919, where he trained in taxidermy and bird biology. Later, he worked at the museum in Berlin, refining his skills in scientific methodology. But upon returning to India, he struggled for years doing small assignments, writing, and conducting independent bird surveys. Breakthrough: the Mysore Bird Survey. In 1930, the princely state of Mysore invited him to conduct a systematic bird survey. This project became a turning point, traversing dense forests, wetlands, and villages on foot and horseback. Salim Ali meticulously documented bird life. He studied their behavior, ecology, habitat patterns, and interactions. This approach transformed Indian ornithology from a collector's hobby into a scientific discipline. Major works and publications. Salim Ali's contributions as an author shaped generations of scientists and nature lovers. His landmark publications include The Book of Indian Birds in 1941, a simple, accessible guide that introduced millions of Indians to birdwatching. The 10-volume Handbook of the Birds of India and Pakistan, co-authored with S. Dillon Ripley. This monumental work is considered one of the greatest ornithological references of all time. The Fall of a Sparrow, a deeply insightful and scientific autobiography. He became famously known as the Birdman of India after this. Transforming conservation in India. Beyond bird study, Dr. Salim Ali became a champion of environmental conservation. He played a critical role in establishing the Karnataka and Kerala bird sanctuaries, protecting the Silent Valley from being destroyed by a hydroelectric dam, advising the government on wildlife policies, forming early frameworks for India's national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. He believed that birds were barometers of ecological health, reflecting the condition of forests, wetlands, and the climate. Work with BNHS. Under his influence, BNHS evolved from a small colonial institution into a world-class research organization. He helped expand its field research, museum collection, and global collaborations. Even during financially difficult years when the society was close to shutting down, Salim Ali personally lobbied the government to save it. Today, BNHS stands as one of India's foremost environmental research institutions, largely because of his dedication. Awards and global recognition. Over the course of his career, Dr. Salim Ali received numerous honors: Padma Bhushan in 1958, Padma Vibhushan in 1976, honorary doctorates from multiple universities, membership in prestigious global scientific bodies, and the naming of several bird species and sanctuaries in his honor. Later life and legacy. Even in his 80s, Dr. Salim Ali continued field work, often walking miles with binoculars in hand. He passed away on 20th June 1987, leaving behind a legacy unmatched in India's natural history. Today, every bird sanctuary, research center, and conservation program in the country carries traces of his influence. He didn't just study birds, he created an entire generation of naturalists. So that was all for today. If you saw the video till the end, you can let me know the answer to the pop quiz in the comment section below. Thank you for listening. Do subscribe to the channel to listen to more such stories. Bye for now. See you next time. Stay safe and happy learning.